Hello, I'm Amy, Reed's Reigns lettings expert. The Renters' Rights Act introduces several major changes to the private rental sector, and one of the areas of reform is how pets are handled in rental homes. Under the new legislation, tenants have the right to request permission to keep a pet, and landlords can no longer refuse without a valid reason. The tenant must submit their request in writing, including details such as the type and size of the animal. Landlords must respond within 28 days and cannot refuse without reasonable grounds. You can ask for further information, for example, whether a dog is house-trained. You then have either the remainder of the 28 days or an additional 7 days to give the tenant your decision. Failure to do so within the time period means the tenant can apply to the court. You can still say no, but only where there are reasonable grounds. For example, if the property is very small with restricted outdoor space, then it would be reasonable to refuse a large dog. Or if you are a leaseholder and your freeholder does not allow pets. These new rules mean landlords should be prepared for more pet requests, and they'll need a clear process in place to handle them properly. It's important too. Respond to any pet requests within the required 28 days. Give clear and reasonable grounds if refusing. Review your property's suitability and any head lease restrictions in advance. With the right systems in place, you can remain in control while supporting the growing demand for pet-friendly homes. There will be more tenants with pets, and simply saying no is no longer possible. If a pet does cause any damage to your property, you may still be able to recover costs through the deposit, subject to the usual rules on evidence and fair wear and tear. Setting clear criteria and keeping evidence to support your decisions will help you stay compliant and make confident, informed choices. Our expert lettings teams are already prepared for the changes. We can help you manage requests, ensure compliance with the new timelines, and provide guidance on what is or isn't considered a reasonable refusal. With our support, you can stay informed, protected, and ready for the upcoming changes. Reed's Reigns, getting the job done.